Alrighty, time to draw out this week's shout out. First, I'm going to fight with the camera because it just decided to be a pain. I got some in the mail from the legend, Ron T Sawyer. Yeah, two of them, very cool. I like his sticker. He's got a cool sticker. That will go on my board, proudly. I got a spare. Rock on. Thank you, Ron. The link will be in the description. Let's see who this week's draw will be. Should I get two? Screw it. We'll go with it. We'll just pull two. They were stuck together. So we got Hike with Mike, who's right here. Oh, I guess you can't see that. Hike with Mike, right here. And the Real 11T. Rock on. So I will link both those gentlemen down in the description. You can go check them out, along with Ron T Sawyer. Cool. Got him on the board. Got him right there. Nice. Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday. It is my first video for Fired Up Friday. If you didn't see my yesterday's video where I said that I was going to be making a change, it's going to be Fired Up Friday now, and I'm going to be doing something a little different than the usual Fatwood. I'm still going to be doing Fatwood, but I'm going to branch out and do more areas of fire making, which I think will be more fun and more interesting for the viewer. So I'm going to be doing flint and steel today. Even though I have a fire making video on the way, it's still in a folder that I haven't even started editing yet. But you know, it is what it is. So I'm going to get my tinder ready, my bird nest. And I'm going to get my flint and steel out and get busy with that. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. Alright. Got all this maple bark still. I seem to be out of cedar, so I'll have to try to get more. I think it's starting to rain too, so might have to retreat to the truck until it passes, I think. See how bad it gets. Got fortunately I've got this big maple right over my head, so I'm kind of protected from the rain. And I've got a trash bag over the camera, just in case. You never know when a rogue drop is going to come down and make its appearance. Get this, oddly enough, this is the same maple I pulled up off the ground last time I was at this very spot, so while I'm here I can grab some more. Just throw it in the back of the truck, rain or not, it'll dry eventually. There might be some tulip poplar mixed in here as well. I don't really need a lot for a bundle, so. Alright. Probably more than enough. I forgot everything sticks to these gloves. I should have grabbed my leather ones. Alright. keep my char tin in a zip top bag just to add a layer of protection and waterproofing from the elements. You know, I mean, it's not the best thing, but I guess it's better than nothing. So, I use my, this is actually a Habelis Bush Tools striker. This is the first one I ever bought. And I got my flint right here. Alright, let's... Alright, there we go. Nice. I'll set that down. I don't want to burn my fingers. Sweet. Cool beans. There's some. It's a little unusual. As you can see, I pulled it off the tree, but it's not really not flaking off like the other ones. But I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw it in the back of the truck as is and let it do its thing. Score. Yeah, quite a bit too. A lot of this is super wet, but like this one you can see all the moisture. But you know, as it's riding around the back of the truck, when it starts to get hot again, this stuff will dry out in no time.